B'Shem Adonai Eloheinu Elohim Eloheinu, in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ, welcome to Saragil Bible Knowledge House. Proverbs chapter 10 verse 14, wise men lay up knowledge, but the mouth of the foolish is near destruction. Aims to provide quality Bible education, quality teaching and quality training. Join us make to a systematic study of the Holy Bible in a fully peaceful atmosphere. Shlomani Sadia Nurjan. Hello, I am Sadia Nurjan. Basefer Tehlib in the book of Psalm 13 verse 5 وَأَنِي بِخَسْتِكَ وَتَقْتِي يَغِلِّ بِي بِشَأْتِكَ. But I have trusted in thy mercy, my heart shall rejoice in thy salvation. Hebrew word Yeshua means salvation. This word is noun and feminine. Feminine, passive participle. Salvation means deliverance, victory, saving and welfare. In English version of the Bible, the word salvation, save are not technical theological terms, but denoted simply deliverance. In systematic theology, however, salvation denoted the whole process by which man is delivered from all prejudice, attaining to the highest good that God has prepared him. So well their technical sense and often associate with the Greek or Hebrew word translate save. Mizmor 118 verse 14, Psalm 118 verse 14. Ozi wazirat ha wahi li sho'a. The Lord is my strength and song, and is become to my salvation. The Lord is my strength and song. It being in the name of the Lord, the enemy of the psalmist were destroyed, and having obtained help for him. When so trusted and gives him all the glory and ascribes nothing to himself. It was the Lord that strengthened him, helped him, and gave him. The victory of the Lord is the author and giver of strength, natural and spiritual.